Okay, so this is what I have prepared for our video game. It's gonna be, as you said, a sci-fi shooter, but let's actually see what we can do with Unity, because if you can see right here, Unity actually produces some pretty great results with lighting that I never really took advantage of before. So if we look at that, if you caught that, that is the box missile, which will drop down and then open up, and then I plan on having a missile spawn inside there, and then the player will throw that out after this button animates. So you press it and then you throw it out, and then you get a little trigger, so you decide where it goes, and then when you press that trigger, the missile will launch out of here and destroy your target. Yeah, that's all I put into the scene for now. There's a lot more scripts that I've actually made for this. If you look at the side over here where my cursor is, you can see that I'm using component-based scripting, which means that I just add this health script to anything. And if I add a death script to it as well, the health will then call the death script after it gets to 0. So yeah, that's component-based scripting that will help our game a lot. The point of that was just that we have a lot more potential now. This is the laser rifle I have modeled. This right here, this little thing is animated, but that's about it. The whole firing action will be in the arms of the player when you actually put it in the game. So, and then I also modeled this off of something I saw at the Minneapolis Institute of Art, which is these rifles right here. They're pretty cool. Then here's the box missile inside a blender. And this is just going to show off, this is a game I've made. This is just going to show off just the great lighting Unity has in general. Ooh, look, NVIDIA says I'm getting 60 frames per second. This, it's not capped at 30. So, if you can see here, this is a game I made. It's pretty cool. Made it for comp side. This sort of shows, you know, this guy can run around, he's got that animation, his legs sort of slow down when you jump, and it's got that sort of city environment that we're actually going to be going for in the game. Little platform that moves up and down, it's jumping, there's destruction, you can block. It's an example of what we're going to do. We can look at bloom over here, so you see it's super bright, but then as you get in here it sort of evens out. That's in general what we have planned. Well, what we have that we can plan with. So, Vlad, all of this sort of stuff will eventually be what we can make into a game, and I think this actually doesn't look half bad, so we'll see. Alright.